For the repair of the KTE motor controller, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add a 16-volt AC power supply and a multimeter. By pressing the buttons on the unit, we test the start and stop functions, and we see that the LED indicator lights up and the buzzer turns on and off. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the motor controller is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.